Hello, Ade.
How far, Iyke? How you did now? I hear say that you Taliki. How the hustle that side?
Ade, my guy. The hustle here no be child's play.
Correct. That's so, my guy.
You get any link where they pay? All these online job links where person feed day for house they work online. What did they call them? Say I don't forget.
You mean website where they pay, I mean?
Yes, help me with one, I beg.
Haba, Iyke. What you happen to your work now?
Ade, my guy. My village people don't finally catch up with me. Oh. Can you imagine? As I just there packing, enter that new house. What I tell you now. That's why I can't lose my job. Oh. Guy, to chop food now, wahala. Oh. Guy, I need to start something. I beg, help me with one of those your links. Make person they chop now.
Chai, now wow. Sorry, my guy. You don't take why enter late too. Anyway, sure, I go check. Just give me small time.
Just they waste my time. Man, waiting be this one now. To enter mega city no be more and more yo. Anyway, I got to make should be I get Google for this phone self. How to make money online. Make money online by reading emails, pay to click programs, make $100 per day reading mails. Wow, using your phone or laptop. Wow, no be small thing. No, make I sign up. Make this be true. I don't want me to waste my time for here. $100 per day. Oh boy, yeah. See, just this small time why I don't do this and I don't get $85. Okay now. Make I finish all the mail. Man, this work no be small thing. No. I am now a big boy. Guys, you got to check my side balance. Just 7 days now, I don't make $700. Hey, by tomorrow I go one cash out. Make I just work for 3 days more. So I go fit complete $1,000. Then I go cash out. How much be $1 now, sir? I got to calculate. What? $1 equal to 460 naira. And that is small. Okay, black market 750 naira for black market. They better pay me for black market price. Oh, tomorrow I will cash out, then start all over again. No delay before this opportunity go close. Just small like this, I don't blow. Then I go change my name to Iyke the millionaire. Today, cash out. Yeah, open app. This app open also. Why did they click this cash out from this app self? Where that button say what they look for? I don't see them. Oh, the button no gree work. Hey, you must reach the minimum payout of $100,000 before you can request for withdrawal. Oh, now wow. Oh, wahala sha. You can continue, It remains small. A small thing. Ade, my guy. How far now? Guy, I don't blow. I later find one online job like that too. Why they do now? Guy, as they speak with you, I don't make $5,000. $5,000.
What? Iyke? Hey, you know I want to make $5,000? Guy, you don't blow. Yeah, don't blow, my guy.
Ade, my guy, you never see anything. Very soon, I go cash out now. It remains small, just small thing. I go reach the minimum payout, maybe 100,000.
Iyke, I beg, my guy, send me your address. You don't hammer. I want to enter Lekki, maybe I'll join you for that side. I beg, teach me way now. I beg, my guy.
Walk on, join me for Lekki. My guy, you no go walk, you no go walk at all. As soon as I cash out, I don't enter UK be that too. Stay where you dey, no come here.
Iyke, don't be like that now. Make I go first. I be your guy, you. Guy, make you teach me way now.
No wahala sha, my guy, I understand. Come fast to no miss next week. If my payout enter na, I don't fly enter UK. And they no go see me again.
Confirm, my guy.
That's so, my guy.
They come next week. Thank you.
See me temptation, oh. Hey, Because be now where it remain just 2 days. Make I cash out. I no can't get data again to subscribe. Wow. You no go work now. You no go work at all. In fact, I go borrow data from Mama Funke. Hello, Mama Funke. She be there for shop, abi. I beg, send me with 50 gig data. Next tomorrow, make I transfer and enter your account. No verse.
50 gig na 12,000 oh.
She be I know, Mama Funke. Just subscribe my line now. Hey, how much be total why they owe you now?
This one go make am 35,000 where they owe me oh.
How about that one a small change, Mama Funke? Don't worry, I go come next tomorrow concert to you.
No wahala, anything for you. I trust say you remember me.
So, Mama Funke, I beg, send Funke make you bring food for me. Join her for the money why they owe you. I go pay her when I come.
No wahala.
Shebi I don't read the minimum payout. $100,000. Oh boy. Make I request my withdrawal, Jerry. Wait be this one now. No be here they see this payout button before. No be wallet be this, No wallet. Wait, what think gonna happen? The payout button no dey here. Oh. Hello?
I don't show. I did back now.
I dey no find me come Lake you. No find me come Lake you. I know they Lake you. I know wetin dey worry you. I dey village now. See me nonsense.
Hey, guy, come pick me for back. Guy, don't be like that too. I did back the way for you. Hope you enjoyed watching this. Smash that subscribe button below to see more of our notifications on upcoming videos. youtube.com/3D Cartoon Hub.